Welcome back to Nature's Beauty. This is where all things beautiful are seen. Now that the rain is back again, obviously our prayers have been answered and we have done the rain dance. Every drop of rain brings life to the wild. And as you can hear the sounds and the zinc and the drops fall into the ground, the birds are happy. And all of the natural plants are happy. Look at my orchids, like beautiful orchids. The wine pile in the tree. All the wine pines are catching up, filling up with water. Let's take a look at the beautiful one I have at the bottom of the ravine. Rain has come again, and nature responding beautifully. Just a few minutes after the rain falling, all the sounds of the birds are singing happy tunes, and the beautiful wild pines are catching water. Oh, glorious nature is in all its beauty. In just a few minutes of rain, everything begins to change. Look, there is water again for the bird to drink. Oh, happy day. Here, look at this beautiful wild pine. There's water again. Oh, happy day. Nature has answers, it's called. And the plants are happy once more. Here in the wild, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. I will continue to bring you beautiful videos of nature in the wild.